In this problem, we're going to determine the dew temperature and the composition of a liquid if we're given the vapor phase composition, Ya and Yb, and the pressure of the system. We're given Antoine's equations that relate the saturation pressure to temperature. It's ideal solution, so we use Raoult's law. And so the equations that we want to solve is XA PA sat equals YA P. That's Raoult's law for component A. Likewise, write it down for component B. Well, in addition to these two equations, the other equation that we need is that XA plus XB equals 1. We're going to solve these three equations simultaneously. Easiest way is to put this in an Excel spreadsheet and use solver, because this expression makes the equations nonlinear. Rather than trying to solve for temperature manually, it's much quicker and more accurate to just use a spreadsheet. And we'll do that, and I'll show you the spreadsheet now and then show you the solution. So here's the spreadsheet where we've rearranged the equations to put everything on one side so that we can set that value to 0. And so we have three equations. We're all trying to get to 0. I run solver. Explain in other screencasts how to use solver for nonlinear equations, but I've run solver, get the mole fraction of A in the liquid phase, mole fraction of B, and the dew point temperature.